Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down how we spray the skirting board. So we've had the ceiling finished, well the first cut of the wall, ceiling is finished, and then we're on to our skirting board. So what I want to do is I always want to start off the surface and finish off the surface. So with the skirting board, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come along the top of the skirting board first. So I want the gun sort of aiming directly down onto the top piece, and then when I come back along the bottom, I need to twist the gun down to come back along the bottom. And again, I'm about 10 inches away, I say, with woodwork, than 12. But 12 to 10 inches is the recommendation for that. Watch the paint hit the surface, and that's going to tell you everything behind the spraying. Because if you're trying to measure with your hand how far away you are, you're just going to make mistakes. So you just got to watch the paint, look how it lays down, look how it's gelling out. Okay, so now I'm going to start spraying. I'm not going to put my mask on so I can talk throughout what I'm doing, but obviously when you're spraying, you always want to wear a mask. So here we go. So I'm going to come along the top of the skirting board first. And again, look, I put my foot this side over here so I can get from that side to this side. Do this in sections if you can, because what that's going to mean is that you're not going to be doing little bits then trying to move. You're just doing as much as you can in that one motion and then moving over. So if you noticed, I did not finish in the corner. I always finish on a piece of skirting board, like either in the middle or somewhere, but just never in the corner, because you're going to overload the corner and you're going to get runs. So now when I come back round, so once I come to there, I've let go of the trigger now. I'm going to drop the gun down. There you go. From here, I do not want to start dead. If I start dead there, you're going to see a big fat line. So what I do is you want to try and blend it on as you come around. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my leg over to that side, this side, so I can get around that corner and then finish over in the middle of that skirting board. So again, from here, I'm going to blend back. So I'm going to start from sort of back here and sort of blend it through. Dropping the gun down and then finishing there. And now what I'm going to do is just finish it off in this corner, like so. It's a lot faster than brushing. So for me, it's a game changer to spray woodwork especially. You know how time consuming this is with a brush. Obviously you do have clients that still want a brush finish, but if you can spray, then why wouldn't you? I mean, it's not only the speed, it's the finish as well.